Okay, I made it. I did the wrong way in sexy hiking. Yeah, I mean not sexy hiking. Hiking over it. Right, oh no, why did I just do that? Okay, let me see what's over here. Wrong way. I wasn't recording when I made it up here, so that's annoying. Okay. Rock behind this bit. Okay. Can I make it up here? I can, but whoa. Let me see. Dude, why can't I make it? I'm so bad. I'm so bad at this game. Dude, like, there we go. Yes, I can't get up there. Okay. One try. Yeah, no. Okay. Let's go over here. I'm just gonna die now, aren't I? It's taking a while. Okay. Whoa! What is this? Let me go this way. What is this? Ah. Oh, this might take a while. Oh, never mind. Rock. Okay. What are these rocks? Where is this from? I guess we're underneath the spawn. I can't really see. See if I can glitch myself through here. No, I won't. Wait, will I? I'm gonna glitch underneath this thing, aren't I? It's not gonna work. Let me just try to get myself really low down. Dude, I can't glitch myself. What? Come on. It literally doesn't even work. Wow, okay. So I guess this is what's here. Let's check if there's anything on the other side. Anything. This is taking a while. Okay. Is this? Now I'm guessing. Wait. No, it's probably just a. Okay. Here we go. I'm probably just gonna die now. Like, yeah. Okay. And that is hiking over it. Wrong way. Nice. I did it.